Your brows can completely change the way your face looks, so if you've been ignoring them, it's time to stop. Here's how to get thicker, fuller and perfectly shaped brows that suit your face. If your brows need a little help to thicken up, all you need is this 3-ingredient Magic Brow Growth Serum. Mix together 2 spoons of castor oil, 1 spoon of almond oil and a few drops of vitamin E oil. Store this and use a spoolie to apply it to your brows every night before sleeping. This blend of oils helps stimulate hair growth and also strengthens your brow hair so they don't fall off easily. Whether your natural brows resemble Priyanka Chopra's from the year 2000 or 2022, you'll probably still need to groom them and get rid of a few rebellious strands. You can do this in a few different ways right from home. No parlor auntie needed. Just make sure you're only removing the excess hair around the brows and not thinning them out until they disappear. Try threading. It's easier than it looks. Just tie some thread into a loop and twist it a few times in the center. Then use both hands to push the twisted section back and forth over the unwanted hair till it's all pulled out. Haven't got a hang of threading quite yet? Grab some tweezers and get plucking. It's easier to isolate individual hairs with this, but also easy to get carried away, so make sure you stop before they're all gone. You can also go pain-free with a facial razor. Moisturize your skin and then shave in short strokes at a 45-degree angle. Take care to shave carefully so you don't accidentally remove the tail of your brow. Follow up after any of these methods by cleansing to prevent bacterial growth and then use a soothing post-hair removal lotion. Adding some definition to your brows with makeup is just the thing your sparse brows need till your growth serum kicks in. You can easily do it yourself with either a brow pencil or a dark brown eyeshadow. Use your eye pencil to measure out where your brow needs to start. Hold the pencil straight up from where your nostril ends and line it up with the inner corner of your eye. Next, hold the pencil in an angle so that it crosses the center of your eye. Finally, line up the pencil with the outer corner of your eye. Now make small hair-like strokes with your pencil wherever you have sparse hair, keeping your brow shape in mind. Now using a spoolie that generally comes on the other side of brow pencils, blend the strokes so they don't look too harsh. To fill in your brows using an eyeshadow, take an angled brush and make similar hair-like strokes. This will give you a softer look and is easier for beginners. Blend out any harsh strokes using a spoolie brush for the perfect brows. Check out more lash and brow serums in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.